Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Glen Walter is a small community located just east of Cornwall along the St. Lawrence River corridor in eastern Ontario. Although it is much smaller than nearby Cornwall, Glen Walter has long been connected to the region's transportation routes, agricultural history, and river communities. Today, the area is known for its quiet residential character, open countryside, and proximity to both the river and the city. For many travelers passing through eastern Ontario, Glen Walter represents the slower pace and rural atmosphere that still exists alongside some of Canada's busiest transportation corridors. The community developed during the 19th century as farms and small settlements spread across what is now Stormont, Dundas, and Glengarry County. Like many villages in eastern Ontario, Glen Walter grew around local roads, churches, schools, and agricultural activity. Early settlers in the region included Loyalists who arrived after the American Revolution, along with Scottish, Irish, and French-Canadian families who helped shape the culture of eastern Ontario. Agriculture remained one of the area's most important industries for generations, and farmland still surrounds much of the community today. One of the defining features of Glen Walter is its location near the St. Lawrence River. The river has influenced settlement, trade, and transportation in this part of Canada for centuries. Before railways and highways became dominant, the St. Lawrence served as one of the country's most important transportation routes. Communities along the shoreline benefited from trade, shipping, fishing, and access to larger markets in cities such as Montreal and Kingston. Even today, the river remains central to the identity of the region. Glen Walter also sits near several important transportation routes that connect Ontario and Quebec. Highway 401 passes close to the community and forms part of one of Canada's busiest highway systems. Rail lines and nearby border crossings into the United States have also contributed to the economic importance of the surrounding area. While Glen Walter itself remains quiet and residential, its location near Cornwall places it within a larger network of transportation and commerce that stretches across eastern North America. The surrounding landscape reflects the natural beauty of eastern Ontario. Open fields, wooded areas, riverside scenery, and changing seasons define much of the environment here. Summers bring boating, fishing, and outdoor recreation along the St. Lawrence River, while autumn is known for colorful foliage throughout the countryside. Nearby Cornwall has a population of approximately 48,000 people and serves as one of the main urban centers in eastern Ontario outside the Ottawa region. Cornwall is one of Ontario's oldest European settlements, with roots dating back to the late 1700s. Loyalist settlers established farms and communities along the river after the American Revolution, and Cornwall gradually developed into a center for industry and trade because of its location on the St. Lawrence River. Cornwall and the surrounding region are also known for their bilingual culture. Because of the city's location near Quebec, both English and French are commonly spoken throughout the area. Local traditions, schools, and community events reflect the mix of cultures that have shaped eastern Ontario for generations. Visitors often notice that this part of Ontario feels different from other parts of the province because of its close historical and cultural ties to Quebec. Today, Glen Walter remains closely connected to Cornwall while maintaining its own quieter identity. The combination of rural scenery, nearby river access, and proximity to major transportation routes gives the area a distinct character within eastern Ontario. For travelers exploring the St. Lawrence corridor, communities like Glen Walter offer a look at a region shaped by agriculture, transportation, and the long history of settlement along one of Canada's most important waterways.